Come with me to the Cosmetic Skin Clinic to get Morpheus8 and Profhilo in my abdomen.
First part of Morpheus treatment is firing energy at several different depths every time the little pins come through the skin. 4 millimeters, and then as they come out, they're firing that radio frequency at 2 different depths, and that's going to be heating up the connective tissues and starting that collagen building process that's going to go on for the next few months. Morpheus is always a course from 2 to 5 sessions. For the initial course, we like to do them with about a month in between the 2, and then in the long run, it's going to last for a long time. They wear off very, very, very gradually, and when you come to do maintenance, you just do one-off sessions. 1 session every year to year and a half is plenty to maintain the results. It's working a bit closer to the surface, so this is really working on the kind of surface skin quality, just thickening and tightening that top layer of skin a bit more. People do often say, even within a few weeks of their first session, that they're just starting to see that skin quality improvement. It takes 3 or 4 months for the full effect, but you can see some improvements pretty quickly. Be careful with the sun for the next couple of weeks, SPF, and reapply frequently if you're going to be in the sun, and after that you can go back completely to normal. But expect your redness to go down over the next 48 hours, a couple of little bumps over that period as well, but they will all settle down as well. After a couple of days, the skin should look pretty